Hey there everybody, it's Tom here again. It's really good to have you back on my channel. Today we're going to be looking at session number 10 with the Partner with Anthony program. Coming from someone that's completed the program, session number 10 is another really cool session. And if you're looking to join the Partner with Anthony program and you're kind of, sitting on the fence, honestly, I urge you to join. For $7 a month, it's a no-brainer. It really is. And it really is an easy way to learn all the internet marketing side of things, such as email marketing, affiliate marketing. It goes into a lot of detail with Facebook ads and what's the other one? YouTube ads and all that sort of thing. Also, I do understand that the people like yourself that are kind of finding it hard to, make money online in 2020 or, any time for that matter, I understand your frustration. I really do. It's it can feel like you're just getting nowhere. And with this program, again, I highly recommend it. The link is in my description. There is a link in there that'll take you to a free Partner with Anthony training video. I highly recommend that you do that. It's totally free, and it goes into quite a bit of detail for a free video. Also, again, there's another link in the description that you can download a totally free ebook, and that is a bit of a heads up on what you'll need to do in regards to becoming an online entrepreneur. It's got some really good content in there, and again, that's totally free. And like I said, I totally understand, trying to earn a side income about the frustrations, but do yourself a favor, get involved with the program. You will not regret it. It's absolutely fantastic. You get the 24/7 support. You get a Facebook group that is very helpful. I've used the Facebook group on a number of times, and it's one resource that you can actually draw on and know that the people that are going to answer your questions have actually been there before you. I highly recommend that. And if you're interested and you like the channel, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment, give me a thumbs up and all that sort of thing. It's something I'd really like to interact with you. If there's anything that you would like me to, or anything that you would like to ask me, please don't hesitate. Leave me a comment, and I'll definitely try my best to get back to you. Well, I will get back to you. Session 10. Okay, Session 10 starts off with the profit center and the revenue. Now, Anthony will take you through the page where you will, once you make sales and commissions, you need to be able to find them. Okay, so it's very simple, very straightforward, step-by-step little process. Just to click on one part of the Partner with Anthony portal, and you are in there, and he just gives you a little introduction on the whereabouts of everything, and it's not hard. It's quite basic, but it's very important also, because you do want to know where your money's coming from and who's buying your product. Also, you'll as I say, you'll get a tour through the profit centers, of which there are a few. It's another interesting session number 10, and also what I really liked about session number 10 was you start to learn about the traffic, and not all traffic is created equal. There is certain types of opt-in pages or squeeze pages or landing pages, whatever you want to call them. There are certain types of opt-in pages that are suitable for solo ads. Now, a solo ad opt-in page generally won't work for, let's say, a Facebook ad or Google ad or something like that, because if you think about the different types of traffic, you have solo ad providers that are providing your offer to their list, and generally they're opening up their email, and they basically, less is more as far as solo ads is concerned. They just want to see the offer. What is it? Yeah, okay, I like it, bang, I'm in. Where if you get, say, like a Google ad, someone that's going on Google is going on Google deliberately looking for your product. So they're looking for information, and generally, you know, without going right into detail, it's a different type of person that's looking, although it's the same product, they're looking for a little bit more information in regards to that product. Anthony goes through that. He does explain it quite well, and just with me, what I did, I started with solo ads because my opt-in pages were quite basic. I've improved them a little bit over time, but the solo ad, the people that are looking at your offer through the solo ads are not really wanting a lot of information. So I was quite fortunate enough that a lot of my opt-in pages, and actually while we're on the subject, Anthony gives you done for you funnels that have opt-in pages already done. All you have to do within your ClickFunnels account, if you're going through the program, there will be a link at the bottom of one of the videos where Anthony will give you the link. You click on the link. As long as you have your ClickFunnels account open, you click on that link and it will automatically go to your ClickFunnels account. You don't have to touch it. It's amazing. And I was very successful with generating sales through solo ads with those funnels. Yes, I did create my own funnels, and yes, I did have success with my own funnels. But to be honest, the funnels that I was making myself were not venturing too far off what Anthony and his team had provided for not just me, but for other students as well. And also, while we're still on the subject, a lot of students will create funnels, and collectively they're put together, and you can actually download those funnels as well. Guys, seriously, it's fantastic. You need to get yourself on board. Like I said, the link is in the description. Just check it out. Totally free. Check it out. Especially in these trying times, in the day and age that we're in, an online business is going to be one of the most beneficial assets that you will ever own. It's the way of the world. It's the way of the future. It's absolutely insane the amount of information that is available to you for the buy-in cost. It's crazy good, absolutely crazy good. Also, moving along in session 10, there is an invitation to hook up with one of Anthony's internet traffic consultants. Now, this is a chance for you to really, you know, start moving forward with the business, because everything with any business, like I said in earlier videos, is all about traffic. It's all about traffic. And you get the opportunity to schedule a call with an internet traffic consultant, and they will guide you through a strategy on you know, which way you want to go. Do you want to do solo ads? Do you want to do Google ads, Facebook ads, YouTube ads? There's a whole host of different ways that people want to go when they're in the course, which is that's the good thing about the course, that everybody has their own feel for how they want to do it. So you can schedule a call, you book in your time, they will go through it with you. If you are interested in going a certain way, then they will come up, like I said, with a strategy for you to you know, leverage what you have in your business. Again, it's another great session, and session 10 marks the, what is it, the you're a third of the way through the course. So after session 10, obviously, yeah, another 20 sessions to go. But so early in the course, you are you know, prompted to really be proactive and you know, start getting some real traction in your business. And again, this doesn't take a ton of time, it doesn't take a ton of money, and it definitely does not take that much effort at all. And that's my honest opinion. That's coming from someone that's actually been there and done it. So that's session 10 for you guys. Session 11 will be up shortly, and that's another crackerjack session. So until next time, take care, and I'll see you then. Bye.